Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel guys. If you have a OnePlus Buds Pro and if you're facing a battery drain issue, then in this video I will help you somehow. Okay, so I'm having this OnePlus Buds Pro and it's like 1.5 years old maybe, and the battery backup of this Buds Pro is literally guys 3 minutes. Okay, after using a 3 minute it will like switched off, and this is a 10,000 Buds Pro, so you can see what OnePlus is doing. So guys, the problem is like obviously there may be a battery problem, but there is one more problem what OnePlus is doing guys. In each every update, like first I want to explain one more thing guys. I'm using a OnePlus 9 Pro. So okay, when I was on Oxygen OS 13, the battery backup was quite good, like it was giving 1 hour on Buds Pro. Okay, so after as you all know, OnePlus 9 Pro got Oxygen OS 14 update, so I update my phone to Oxygen OS 14. So after updating my phone to Oxygen OS 14, my battery backup was literally guys from 40 minutes to it went like 3 minutes. Okay, so obviously there may be a problem on battery inside. Okay, but OnePlus also doing some kind of like some catchy thing guys. So if you update your phone, the OnePlus is like doing some kind of changes on software, or maybe doing something so that decrease the battery backup of OnePlus Buds. Okay, what I did after update, it's to go to Google Play Store and search for a Buds. Okay, Buds app, and what you have to do is guys click on uninstall. Okay, don't update that app. Okay, if you update that app, definitely the battery will drain. Okay, what I did, like I installed the app and it went to like the first version of Buds Pro app. After installing the app went to like previous version, the first generation version. Then this Buds Pro start giving like battery backup, like it increased the battery backup. Okay, like I told you, like after updating my phone to like Oxygen OS 14, this Buds Pro went from 40 minutes battery backup to like directly 3 minutes. Okay, so what I did guys, I installed the app. Okay, so you try guys, it will definitely work, and if it did not work, then it's up to you, but for me it worked guys. I installed the app and it went the app went to like first generation, like and the battery backup also increased on my Buds Pro. Okay, so it worked for me. I hope so it worked for you also. So guys, OnePlus is doing some kind of catchy things to decrease drain battery of like Buds. Okay, so they don't want you to use the old Buds Pro, and they want you to update it. Okay, they want you to buy the another one, the new generation one. Like not everyone is like rich, so they can buy each every year. So this is what happening guys. Or you can like definitely you can change the battery. It's like I think 100 and 150 rupees battery. You can change the battery, but there is a problem also, like the battery is main issue, and another issue is updating the whenever you like update your device, OnePlus is like draining your battery heavily. Like after from I update my OnePlus 9 Pro from Oxygen 13 to 14, my phone battery like draining crazy, then I downgrade my phone to Oxygen OS 13 again, so my now battery is working fine. Just like guys, I told you, to what you have to do is like install the app, the Buds app from Play Store, and like use the previous version. Okay, so I hope this video help you, and I'm really sorry for my English. I'm trying my best to explain you guys. Okay.